Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us...
G'day guys, welcome back. It's Pierre from Simple Home Brew again. It's day 6, it's the 6th of December 2021, and I'm doing tastings of the beers from the Advent calendar created by Brewery. And they're coming out pretty good. I'm learning a lot from it. Today, as you saw in the intro, I have Bridge Road Brewers Little Bling Session IPA. Look at that. These guys, have a look at that picture. It looks pretty cool. These guys have got a few in this kit. They've got a few friends in there as well. As you notice, there's a couple of different ones that come across, so it's pretty cool. And this is no exception. I think, looking at the orange can, I wonder if it's going to have a bit of like an orange flavour or a citrus flavour. It's kind of inevitable, isn't it, really? So I'm going to read out what they write up about it on their website. Little Bling is a mid-strength IPA that has followed in the footsteps of our original IPA, Bling. This sessionable ale will wow you with the amount of flavour it achieves at 3.4% ABV. Just like its siblings in the Bling family, Little Bling is all about artful balance of hops and malt. ABV 3.4, 355ml can, Amarillo, Citro and Simcoe. I'm glad they put all this in there so we know what's going to happen. Citra. Sorry, not Citro, Citra. Malt they use is Gladfield Ale, Cara Red, Medium Crystal, and Melanoidin. God knows what that is. And the IBU is 35, so it's a fairly bitter one, this one. So we will open it. Whoops, it's fizzing up a bit. Grab my glass, this bloke, and pour. It's a darker colour. It's almost reddish. Look at that. No, I did clean this glass, and it's actually worse now I've cleaned it, so that's quite weird too. Here we go. You already smell the citra. There you go. So clean up the fogginess here, so you can see the colouring. It's pretty orange in flavour, in colour. The head looks pretty colourful, if you can see that. Looks good. Okay. Pineapple again. Citra. I'm getting a rustic scent out of that. It's beautiful. That smells really good. It's got a fair bit of carbonation. You can see the bubbles really bubbling up on this one. It's really going strong. Sticking to the sides. Now, Michael Lead, thank you very much for the advice on cleaning the glass, but I don't want to clean my glass every 5 minutes, you know. Anyway, good bloke. Ooh, that's different. Wow. That was very unexpected. The smell of it does not denote the flavour. It's very dry. I'm tasting toast. A bready sort of taste. It is very dry. It is extremely dry. It's not sweet at all, which is a good thing. The bitter units, though, it's not as bitter as I thought it would be, being that it said it was 35 IBUs. Just an important thing to tell you guys too. These are an independent brewer. They brew. They're not in cahoots with anyone else. They, like everyone that I've been tasting lately, they've all been independent brewers. They're people who make their own beer and support themselves and support the community around them. Quite awesome. That's why I like doing this, and I thought, yeah, just give you a heads up on that one. It smells awesome. It's a session IPA, but it's dry. It actually has the dryness of almost like a wine dry. Almost. Not too bad. Like I said, it's got a rustic flavour. It's got a bit of a toasty flavour. Definitely not my favourite, I'm sorry to say. Quite a good beer if you want to down something. Oh, no, not really. I'm getting this shoot of flavour, and I don't know what it is. If I can give you an example, I've known... What is it that I've eaten lately? Nearly got it. No, there's how can I explain this? I'm sure some of you, dust, no, sorry, not that kind of dust. It's like, it's like dust from, you know, it's a dusty flavour. There you go, it's a dusty flavour. That's alright. It's not one I'll rush out and buy. I'm sorry guys if you're watching this. It is Bridge Road Brewers. Not one I'll go out and buy. Like I said, I'm not a big reviewer. It's my opinion. Not my favourite, definitely. Look, I don't like sweet beers, but I also don't like beers that taste more like wine than beer. It has a bit of a, I don't know, maybe a peach wine flavour to it as well. The citrus and the scent is beautiful. It is a very nice smelling beer. But I did smell that dusty burnt smell, like a rustic burnt smell, which is fine, but it is really dominant in the flavour. Nevertheless, I will drink it because it's a beer and it's not that bad. So, yeah. So guys, this is day number 6. A great little beer. I'm really happy with doing this every day, and I hope you're enjoying it. Really love having you there commenting and having a say and talking about your stuff on there. I'd like to just quickly make a thank you to Oliver Harold. Oliver Harold, you're an awesome bloke. Thank you very much for all your comments you give, and it really is inspiring and gets me going a bit more to do more videos. So cheers. Hope you guys loved it. Hope you love watching this, and I thank you. Cheers guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. It's dirty. It's not dirty. G'day young fellows and young ladies and people out there in the brewing world. How are you today? I've got a little beer for you to have a lick into.